In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert a solid body into a sheet metal part in Autodesk Fusion. We'll go through the key steps from setting the thickness and bend radii to creating the flat pattern. We'll start by using the shell feature to offset the walls of the solid body and create an internal cavity. For this example, I'll set the part thickness to 5 mm. Next, we need to define the inside radius. This value can be adjusted based on the requirements of your design and the capabilities of your forming machine. Then, we'll define the outside radius. This can be calculated by adding the inside radius to the sheet metal thickness. For this part, the inside radius is 5 mm and the thickness is 5 mm, giving us an outside radius of 10 mm. This is an important concept to understand before converting the part to sheet metal. Once the part is ready, go to the Sheet Metal tab and select Convert to Sheet Metal. Then, select the part to define it as the source. Next, we can create the flat pattern. Select the appropriate stationary face. And Autodesk Fusion will check the part thickness and generate the flat pattern automatically. To return to the normal design environment, simply click Finish Flat Pattern. You can also switch between the folded part and the flat pattern by activating Flat Pattern directly from the design tree. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support motivates me to create more Autodesk Fusion tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe for the next one.